Now we're going into dentistry, because dentistry is also not being left behind in the AI arena. We're going to stay ahead of the curve as well. So the pre-dental students out there, or if you're a patient and you go to the dentist, you like, do the dentists use AI? Yes, we use AI. AI also helps us in our practices. How do we use AI in our practices? You ask? Well, I'm going to tell you, and this is so fascinating to patients. You would think that the patients aren't like intrigued by it, but they're just as intrigued as dentists when it comes to AI tools. So the first tool that we use as dentists now is AI in X-ray diagnostics. So we have Pearl AI and Overjet. So these can help detect bone loss, cavities, all types of things on the X-ray, and it will point it out for you. And it is so helpful how it just pops up, makes your X-rays color. It just game changer. Patients can understand the X-rays 100 times better when you present your case with Pearl AI and Overjet versus just the old standard X-ray. Most dentists won't even talk to you about the X-ray because it's too, it's like, but when you have AI and it's color coded, it just makes a world of difference, guys. The second way is your practice management software. Now, I use CareStack, and CareStack has AI features. CareStack is a little more new, but I love it. It's modern. I worked in several dental practices where I didn't really like their practice management software, but CareStack is very updated, very sleek, very clean, and it has automatic patient communication. So you want to make sure your practice management software has some type of AI component where it can help you streamline those tasks. They are also adding like the AI virtual assistant to answer the phone. They have the AI notes. They have a lot that they do with CareStack to increase your dental time efficiency. All right. And the last thing that we as dentists use in the AI arena is things that make digital impressions and AI print designs. We use 3D printers and things like that, which require AI to take those digital impressions, and this is just game changing, such as the sprint ray and the 3Shape. Create a clip. Imagine scanning a mouth and AI whispers, "There's a cavity." That's where dentistry is headed. And it's already kind of doing it, like with the X-ray. It'll say these are cavities, and it'll turn it red or whatever color you choose in your system. But it's just so amazing how it just saves time, especially for me as a dentist, just saving time in a chair during case presentation. It makes it so much easier. It also saves time outside of the chair when it comes to managing. Thank you, K Storm Show, for following. It also helps you manage time, outside of the chair. And not only that, it's helping me manage my time outside of the office. So I'm using AI every area that I can, save time, because now time is your biggest currency. After time, it's attention. So you need to save time in your life and help yourself grow by using these tools. So in the new dental office, AI will be as normal as X-rays. So if you're not ready, you're behind, my friends, tribe. You're behind if you're not already figuring, hey, how can I add this to my toolkit? Don't just use it to make Facebook posts about how you feeling. Use this to grow. Use AI to help you elevate your life. So I want you guys to just pick one tool that we mentioned, or if I did not mention your favorite AI tool, drop it in the chat. Whatever you feel like is your favorite AI tool, drop it in the chat and let me know, what you're using, why you like it maybe. So jobs are shifting. Like, even if you have a job, you have to get used to technology, because technology is the now, is here already. AI may replace tasks, but it also creates new roles. AI trainers, AI dental assistants, AI stream editors. It's going to create new roles for you because it can't just stand alone. It still needs a mechanic, a driver. So it is shifting jobs. Don't be scared of it. Don't get left behind thinking that, oh my God, it might take my job. No, learn something that can help you keep your job by using the AI. Don't be afraid of it, because those who get left behind are the people who just don't care, or they just like, I can't even think about it. So download one tool today. Sovereignty. So mastering AI means you control your own media, your education, business, and there are no gatekeepers. AI has been on, you see so many tools of people trying to trick AI into telling colonized history, but it still goes back and helps you control what you want to learn. So you don't have to be under nobody's thumb. You can learn whatever you want to learn. No gatekeepers. And if you don't want to learn AI, someone else is going to use it against you. Make sure you are ahead of the curve, guys. And it doesn't make you less human. It makes you more powerful if you stay consistent, if you stay committed to using it for growth. So don't be afraid of it. That was super, super exciting, introducing these tools to you for your personal growth or for your business. And hopefully you will, let me know which one floats your boat.